Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's my birthday week, and many of you know that it's a birthday tradition of mine to always have something with mint and chocolate on my birthday. And if you've been following my Instagram stories, you know that I've got a sweet treat lined up for you. That's a mint double chocolate chip cookie that's gluten-free, grain-free, and dairy-free, and that's coming to the website later this week. But today I thought we'd get the party started a little early with this very minty mojito cocktail. A mojito is a classic Cuban cocktail that's a blend of rum, sugar, mint leaves, lime juice, and club soda. But we're gonna keep the sugar lower in this version and swap out granulated sugar or simple syrup for honey. This cocktail is easy to make, it's light and refreshing and perfect for summer, and I think it's the best mojito cocktail around. So let me show you how to make it. To get started, add about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves to a highball or Collins type glass, and just pick the mint leaves clean from the stems, as you don't want any stems in the cocktail. For a little natural sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of honey, though you can always add more or less depending on how sweet you like your mojito. Then add the juice of 1 lime. Fresh limes are always best for the most vibrant flavor, and just squeeze the lime juice straight into the glass. Now we want to muddle all of those flavors together, and I'm using this dual muddler and cocktail spoon that I love because it's minimalist and takes up very little space in my kitchen drawer. And since I know you guys are gonna ask, I will link to it below. The key with muddling the mint leaves on a mojito though is to be gentle. You don't want to mash or tear the mint, you just want to gently add pressure to help release the oils and natural mint flavor. If you over muddle, that's when you get little bits of mint throughout your drink that invariably gets caught in your teeth, and that's definitely not sexy. Next, add 2 ounces of white rum, which is the larger end of a jigger, and then use a long cocktail spoon to stir everything together and make sure the honey is fully dissolved in the lime juice and rum. Fill your glass with ice cubes and top it off with club soda. I like to give it another stir at this stage to pull the mint leaves through the ice, as it looks prettier that way, but that's totally optional. Add a sprig of fresh mint to the top of your glass for garnish, and add a straw, and then enjoy your light and refreshing mojito. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss next week's video.